Today's herb of the day is ginger root. This is what ginger root looks like if you're getting it in the store. And I also have dried ginger root, which I use in my cramp tea here. There are so many different benefits to ginger root. I'm just going to cover the ones that are mainly supportive to women's bodies in this video. First of all, ginger root is highly anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic, which makes it really good for anyone who's dealing with period pain specifically. It's also a digestive stimulant, which is going to make it really good for things like nausea, indigestion, bloating, and gas, especially when they might be around certain times of the cycle. It's a warming pelvic circulatory stimulant. So it's really going to help with regulating period flow and menstrual cycles, etc. And so all of these benefits combined make it potentially supportive to conditions like endometriosis, uterine fibroids, amenorrhea, which is not having a menstrual period, it's an absent menstrual cycle, dysmenorrhea, which is painful periods, as well as headaches, nausea, indigestion, and more. I love ginger so much because it's such a simple and easy one that a lot of us have heard of before, but it's extremely effective. You will find this bad boy in my cramp tea, my period pain tincture, and the regulator tincture.